Guys, what's going on? So following on from last week, we've got a full restoration of my friend's VW T4. The interesting part though of this process that I've been through this week has been the design and how the design has come to life. It's all pretty much happened organically. So here are a few photos of where this project started for us. All these units were built out of 12 and 9mm ply. Enjoy this one, guys. Don't forget to drop your comments in the box below, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please do so now. Just been to Ilford to pick up a couple of batteries, a couple of 5-amp batteries, Bosch. Loving that. Got a good deal on Facebook Marketplace. 3 batteries between the tools that I've got. One's on charge. It's hard work. So having built and mounted all these units last week, next job was to build these movable boxes to sit between the 2 cupboards. Basically where we're at with it, we've just put these handles on the side to allow the box to be moved in and out. But we're going to put handles in here and here as well if you need to lift it out this way. And then we're also going to put a base in the bottom using 12mm ply. So that's where we are. 28.3 centimeters. 28.3, which is there.
Here we go. So this is Dubby on the inside. This is where you come in on the side, sliding door. So you come in, you come to a shelf there, and then you've got the wheel storage there, which is clothes and blankets and everything, and the pump and the filter. This one here is going to be for fridge and food, and this one is for your inverter and your leisure battery and everything.
These versatile boxes are designed to be used both inside and outside.
Is this box? I'd love to be able to show underneath here. Lovely work. See, look at this box, guys. Look at this. This is the underside of the box. With all the cutouts and inserts, so that basically from the outside you actually get quite a good handle.
At this point, we hadn't come up with a design for the box mounted inside the sliding door. However, this came together as the process unfolded.
Nice sunny day, you get your cooker out the back and you bring your small box either here or you can take it outside. We've got a chill out area at the back here. So what happens is you put your bits of wood across there like that.
So today we're going to be cutting out these little slots here because we're going to put slats across here which will be hidden away during the day in this box. So we're going to basically use this to create a bed, a bit of a bridge, should we say. Boxes are done and they can go here if needs be in this space, but we want to have the option of slats, and then the boxes will go over here to make up the bed in that section. A multi-tool would have been perfect for cutting these slots out. Instead I just used a handsaw, making multiple cuts and chiselled away the remains. 2 pieces of wood, one to go there, one to go there, which I've just started cutting out, and then they're the ends, and they will join with this piece to make something that will look sort of like that, effectively, and that will just slot straight into there.
And then there's a big one in the middle, and they fit in to the sides of the boxes. You close them up like that.
A key part here was making sure that all these slats sit flush, as can be seen here. We eventually agreed upon a final design for this cupboard.
This over like this, don't turn it over like that, it's the same, like that. Bed box, this becomes your bed box like that, and there's a shelf that comes out of the side there, like that, and basically all of this becomes your bed.
For now.
Oh, look at the floor, well played. Oh my God, I love it.
Yes.
Oh yes, that's exactly what I wanted.
And then we can put the.
Oh man, that's so lovely. Look at that.
We can put the little fold-out bit if we need
It's
to.
solid. Oh, I got shelves. Oh, I love this wood as well. Whatever this is that we've found.
Matches that one in there.
It
as
does,
well.
look. Nine is to keep everything on one level. It's a small van, it's not a high top. So the idea is just to keep everything on one level so that when you're in here, you can feel the freedom of the air coming in and out. And you can almost swing a cat in here if you had a cat. And you're the sort of person that would swing a cat, which we're not.
Like Kurt Zuma.
Exactly. So that was the idea first. So everything was based on that.
Thing that I think I learned this time around working with Joe on this project was actually that it's all about trying to understand, you know, what it is that people want and what it is that people need.
Basically, a mattress that you fold in half is going to go over this bit here. So in the day, when I'm writing songs and looking at sunsets, I can sit here on my mattress and play my ukulele and look at and talk to people. And then, if I decide I want to go to sleep,
Bed mode.
bed mode.
Let's do a demonstration of bed mode.
Bed mode. Also as well, I can move these out, you see. So if I wanted to have, I can have that there like that. Oh my God, look at it, it's all working. That one can go like that. And then this one.
I've obviously got the way that I live my life and I've got things that are important to me, but they're not, of course, going to be important to someone else. So that's what it's all about. So once you come across someone that knows what it is that they want, then you've ultimately just got to follow their lead really and just bring it all together. On the side for now.
That's there.
Or we can, that's
Yeah,
there.
so which means if I wanted to cook, I could cook here.
Oh, yeah, come round.
Right, so I could cook here if I wanted to. So my cooking stuff's going to go in that box there, which means on a lovely sunny day, even on a rainy day, I can stand here with my cooking stuff, with my two beautiful tables, with the rounded edges. I'm the clumsiest person in the world. Because I'm clumsy, I didn't want to think too sharp. So that's that. And then, sleeping mode. I haven't really seen where you've ended up putting our lovely designs, but I'd imagine, yeah man, here we go. Right, so.
All in there.
These boxes, I designed it like this, so that if you need to get in anything, you're not holding one hand and then in, you can just lean them back. Because sometimes when you're in your garage, whether your inverter breaks down or your leisure battery breaks down or wiring, you need two hands. You don't need something banging against your head and you can't do it with one hand. So within this now, we decided how we're going to do the bed. So between the two of us, we sort of came up with this, didn't we? And this becomes your day bed, like that. So in the day, you can chill out here. And you can have this box here with your books in, or you could have them outside. We are going to make this so that it's... Okay, that's in there. This one, I think goes like this. Boom. And then number 3, which I'm going to do around here. So there'll be different shades of orange and greens. And then imagine this is this one, like that. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Slidey, slidey. So that goes like that. And then this one was on the top. So imagine that goes like that. Which means this one then goes like that in there. Then that goes down like that. That goes down like that. Then this goes like that.
watching this process unfold and thinking that's a bit of you. If you've got a VW T3 or T4 and you want any help, please get in touch. I'm here in the UK for the summer.
Goes like that. He goes like that. And then this bit here, there's going to be another one of those pop-out tables. So this basically is my bed.
It's a treble bed, basically.
It's a treble bed.
So we're there. Happy?
This is the bed.
Social media links are here on the YouTube page. Just check out the homepage. You'll see all the links to all my social media, Instagram, TikTok, everything. Just send me a message, get in touch, and I'd be super grateful to consider me to be part of your next project. That's the conclusion for the project. We're all done. Just demonstrated obviously how it all comes together. It's all been designed by Joe. I've just sort of put it together, but it's been a good, fun week we've had this week. And yeah, onwards and upwards to the next stage, which would be the paintwork and getting everything finalised.
Fine line, yes. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching the video,
Dubby
guys.
Dubstar.
Dubby Dubstar.